Hello my friends, what's going on? If you're new to my channel, my name is Kevin. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing video and demo of this card reader by UGREEN. It works for USB Type-C and USB Type-A. It's one of Amazon's best sellers, top 10, and it only costs $12 American. Alright, here we go. This UGREEN card reader can support data transfer of up to 5 GB per second for USB Type-A and C. USB Type-C is compliant with USB 3.1 and USB Type-A is compliant with USB 3.0. Alright, let's get into this. This is the manual. Here's the product details, SD card slot, micro SD card, USB Type-C and USB Type-A. Alright, comes with a keychain holder. Goes on over here. Metal casing. This is the USB Type-C and USB Type-A. Cover goes on really nicely. Nice and light. It's about 3 inches long and almost 1 inch wide. I'll be using this SD card to test out the transfer speed. This has a maximum write speed of 70 megabytes per second and a read speed of 150 megabytes per second. We'll plug this in the USB Type-C. I've tested my card. My maximum read speed is 96 megabytes per second and the maximum write speed is 85 megabytes per second. I don't have anything that can even come close to a gigabyte per second transfer. I can't test the limits of this card reader, unfortunately, but we'll still do a demo to see what happens. So I have a sample file of 2.49 gigabyte file. We'll drag this out of the card and onto my computer. So the cap out speed is around 90 megabytes per second. Now let's try USB Type-A. USB Type-A, I should get the same results. Now I have a micro SD card plus a SD card plugged in at the same time. We're going to see if this works or not. So far so good, looks like it's working. And it does. I have both cards in and ready to use. Such convenient. A cool feature with this card reader, you can actually use this as an external storage device only for the USB Type-C side for your USB Type-C cell phone. Just simply plug this in and the external storage should pop up on your cell phone. As you can see, it's right here, and this will only work if you don't have your protective case on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out. Until next time.